Hey guys, hunting and riding here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to straight pipe a 100. I already took this, taking the baffles out. Really, I already took this one bolt halfway out. And there's another bolt over there. And over on the other side, that one's missing. And the one's probably. I bought it like it. So, this is what it sounds like now. Now, I'm going to take it out. Now I'm going to take off the baffle. So, probably can just use my fingers for this. Then we're going to take our size 8 wrench. It's already loosened up a lot. So, don't want to lose that bolt. I don't care about the baffle, but I don't want to lose it. Okay, baffle's taken out. Just a nice big hole. This is what it sounds like now. Yes, I think it sounds like a pit bike, like a race bike, pit bike. You should hear my friend's 80 that we did. We took the baffles out. That thing, it sounds like a 450, but this is what it sounds like now. Alright, so that's how you do it. And just like that, you got your baffles removed and your bike is a lot more louder. Thanks for watching, guys, and always remember, ride dirt bikes, hunt, and just love life. Come on, live it like you want to. Nobody's gonna tell you how to live it. You can do what you want, love like you want, and live your life. Peace out with hunting and riding, and thanks for watching the vid.